Hey guys, Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing a 1999 Nissan Maxima in Premium, part of the Fast and Furious set. Now this is the first time they did this casting. Really nice. Really nice. It's got the Real Rider 5-spoke rims in gray on there. It's really nice too. I'm going to crack this open. Crack it open. And these premiums are hard to open compared to the main lines. Holy smokes. I just use that little in the middle. Tear it open. Having a little trouble. There we go. There it is. I gotta click the car. There we go. It's got detailed headlights and grille, detailed taillights, which is I love to see. Nice tampo on the side. There's something on this. There's something on the window. You might be able to see it in the right there, kind of in the light. Anyway, I'm gonna go do the close-ups, and then we will come back after. That was the 1999 Nissan Maxima. Now, they have done this car in one other set. It was in this one. It's a Fast and Furious set as well. But those are the only two times they've done this car, and I really, really like this car. I hope they do this one more. Some people don't like it for some reason, but I think it's a nice car. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Check out some of our other videos, subscribe, and keep on collecting.